Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to make Ghanaian popular snack. We call it Bankye Krakro, yeah. And check how yummy it look. We serve with coconut. So find some place and let's start. I'm using one cassava, yeah. The place I live, this cassava is very hard to peel it, yeah. But African one is so soft and it's easy to take the skin from it, yeah. So I'm removing the skin from it. Please be careful with your hand. After that, I remove the core, that's the middle. Remove the middle, yeah. That's how my inside. Remove out, and then you pour water on it. You wash it nicely. Then you grate it. We grate it. If you have blender, then you cut it into pieces and blend it. But the best way, you should grate it like this, yeah. And be careful with your hand, because otherwise after finish it you cannot hold your hand. Take your clean kitchen towel, white one like this, or if you have cheesecloth you can use it, because we are come to squeeze the water from it, yeah. Then you use your last manpower to squeeze it, or if you have the machine you can use to squeeze the starch out, you can make it like this. You see, I have manpower, that's why you can see it's dry. It's supposed to look like this. This is what it's supposed to look, yeah. So let be set aside, and you blend your onion or you grate it, yeah. I use small onion, yeah, not the big one, small one. Then you add it to your cassava, and you add pepper, yeah. You grind pepper, you blend pepper, and you add it to it. If you want to make best Bankye Krakro, we add pepper to it. This is the original recipe I'm showing you now. And then you add small salt, a pinch of salt for taste. Be careful with your salt, oh. Then you mix everything nice like this. Okay, the mix is okay now, and you take small portion. You make it like you are making ball, yeah. You make it like round shape, yeah. The same what I'm making it, you do the same. You make it nice like this. Then it's easy to prepare this recipe. It's very easy, fast, and you make it, yeah. Then this is supposed to look, you put it aside. So you continue the same process until all finish. I finish. I told you I used just one cassava. That's what I got it to. So you heat your oil and you start frying it. Set the fire to medium high temperature. And if the oil is too hot, please lower it small, yeah. Lower it small and let it be fried until nice golden brown color for you. And you see, this very easy, simple recipe, you can make it. And this way, if you get in afternoon, massa stop, eh? So it's almost ready, yeah. You see how nice golden color look. You see how yummy it look. It's ready. Then you remove it, yeah. You remove it nice. Oh wow, I make you miss Ghana, eh? You can make your own. That's why I'm here to help you. So try it. It's very easy to make it. Please don't forget to like, comment, follow, and share all my social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.